Welcome back, everybody. Today is pumpkin spice season, so we're going to be cooking up some HEB hayride bacon, hand seasoned with cinnamon, clove, nutmeg, and pumpkin for a touch of sweetness. And if you aren't using a cast iron pan to make your bacon, you are missing out. Let's go. All right, here we go. Here we go. Moment of truth. Got that pan nice and warm. Should have a nice sizzle when we throw it in there. It's supposed to be thick cut, so let's see how thick it is. Okay, yeah, pretty thick. Let's hear it. Oh yeah, now we are cooking with bacon. Let's throw in a few. Got to have a nice taste test here. Oh yeah. Well, I can already smell the spices coming off of these things. Definitely smells like pumpkin mixed in there with the bacon. Time to flip these bad boys. Oh wee. Look at that pan sear there. I cannot wait to try these. The entire house smells like pumpkin spice and bacon, so if you're a fan, at least the smell is on point. I'm going to let these cook for a few seconds, a few minutes, then we're going to get a live tasting. All right, here we go, here we go. Time to take out the bacon. And I like my bacon flat, so I'm going to lay it on there. Sure smells good, looks good. It's got to cool down for just a minute before I can eat it though. Ooh-wee. Looks good. All right, moment of truth here. HEB hayride bacon, pumpkin spice. Let's get a taste. Definitely tastes like bacon. I was expecting more of a sweeter taste, like the maple bacon. There's just a slight hint of the pumpkin spice. It's good though. I'd buy it again. Not too bad at all. And the cut is really good, the thickness. There it is. HEB hayride bacon.